Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to get live wallpapers on Android. So it is going to be a very fast one and a very easy one. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is we want to install the application that we'll be using to set or get our live wallpapers. So here you want to go into Google Play Store and just basically search for TikTok. And from here you just want to type in additional words, which is live wallpaper. So if you're not aware, TikTok actually offers us to set TikToks as our live wallpapers. So from here, just go to the application itself and install this into your device. So once you've installed this on your device, just click on open. And from here, it's going to say by tapping continue, agree to our terms and service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy to learn how to collect, use, and share your data, and just click on continue. Now from here, we could actually set the sound for our TikTok live for wallpaper here. So if you want to add sounds to your wallpaper, just make sure that you actually increase this one. But if you want it silent, just make sure that you don't actually increase this one. So you also have the option to double tap to pause a video if you want to enable that. And from here, you just want to click on the top right and you'll be able to see all of the other settings here. So if you want to go ahead and explore that, but yeah. So from here, for us to actually get our live wallpapers, we want to actually explore the TikTok application itself. So just click on open TikTok to set wallpaper. Then from here, you just want to click on find wallpapers. So from here, it's going to actually automatically search on your search bar there, live wallpaper. But basically, we could actually do this for every or any video that you'll see on TikTok. So for example, you just want to scroll down until we see the proper one that we want to use. So for example, we want to use this animation here for our wallpaper. So just click on it, and from here you just want to click on the share button that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Then from here you just want to look for the set as wallpaper option that you see on your screen, and when you click on that, it's going to download. And from here you just need to click on set as wallpaper, and from here it's going to say TikTok video wallpaper by TikTok. Just click on set wallpaper. And here it's going to ask you where you want to actually set your wallpaper. So from here, you're just gonna set this to home screen, and it's going to say wallpaper set. So we actually go back into our screen or in our main home screen here, you will be able to see the wallpaper or live wallpaper that we'd set for this device. And that's basically it. So basically, you can just explore TikTok and search for the wallpapers that you want to use. It's very easy and a very cool feature from TikTok that we could actually use. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.